my guidance counselor approached me and asked if I wanted to do it, and I said yes. So we'd start in the lab, we'd do our programming and our coding, then we'd go down into the shop and we'd actually run our part through the CNC machine, obviously with the help of our instructor. It helps us get through it a lot better. It kind of embeds it more into my brain. This curriculum has changed my view on manufacturing careers as a whole because I never really knew the full extent of how many job opportunities there was, but there's abundance of them. And then this program has me doing research and thinking about it, and it's really changed my whole perspective. Like from thinking it's just a career choice to now thinking it's like this is the biggest opportunity I ever could have been handed. If I had to give advice to another student considering the MAC program, I would say do it. It has honestly changed my whole perspective on the future of my life. I never really thought that I'd have a chance to do something like this. If you have the opportunity to do it, I would say just do it.